Hey guys, Nick Espinosa, your chief security fanatic here. And today we're talking about privacy because privacy in the United States just won a major victory, and literally almost nobody is talking about this. Now, much of this reporting is coming from the Electronic Frontier Foundation that has been on the forefront of this legal battle for privacy. And before we dive into what actually just happened a couple of days ago, we need to give everybody a base primer on the Fifth Amendment of the United States Constitution. It's actually one of the most important protections we have in the United States. Now, it offers citizens many protections when they are facing, let's say, legal inquiries like a trial or they have been arrested and accused of something. But the one we're talking about here specifically is about self-incrimination. Now, basically, the Fifth Amendment privilege prohibits the government from coercing a confession or forcing a suspect to lead police to incriminating evidence. Basically, you don't have to say anything or do anything that is going to basically make you look guilty in some way, shape, or form. Now, here's what's going on. The Commonwealth of Pennsylvania, basically, their Supreme Court just issued an opinion on November 20th, a few days ago, holding that the Fifth Amendment to the United States Constitution protects individuals from being forced to disclose the password or passcode on their device to the police. This is actually a very, very major win here for privacy. Now, this 4-3 decision was the Commonwealth v. Davis, and the court found that disclosing a password is testimony protected by the Fifth Amendment's privilege against self-incrimination. Now, the court wrote, "Nevertheless, this constitutional right is firmly grounded in the realization that privilege, while sometimes a shelter to the guilty, is often protection to the innocent." Now, from the article that I'm taking this from, the Electronic Frontier Foundation, I quote, "This ruling is vital because courts must account for how constitutional rights are affected by changes in technology. We store a wealth of deeply personal information on our electronic devices. The government simply should not put individuals in a no-win situation of choosing between disclosing a password and turning over everything on these devices, or instead defying a court order to do so." Now, 2 other states are actually looking at this, and it's going through the court systems, the Supreme Courts of Indiana and the state of New Jersey. And so both the ACLU and the EFF are on the forefront of this, writing briefs. But this is a major win for privacy in the United States. I've often said that self-incrimination by virtue of, let's say, unlocking a phone is a very serious issue. We store a lot of deeply personal things on there: text messages, pictures, videos, personal anything. And basically to have to give up a password, that's a very serious issue. And we also have this issue at Border Patrol as well. Apparently, a lot of people are being asked to unlock their phones for Customs and Border agents in order to get into the United States. I think that's a bit of a problem too. So that is your news of the day. It is a good win for privacy, and I hope all you guys have a good Saturday. Take care.